We were strangers, starting out on a journey. Never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart.
Bale, nakita kami sa Don Bosco sa Mabalacat, sa boarding house. Yung bali kami nakita after work.
Sa TI.
Pinakilala siya sa akin nung ko, office mate ko rin, yung housemate.
Now and forever, wonderful journey.
I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning with you.
Kasi pareho kami ng ugali eh. Pareho kami ng halos gusto. Sa bahay lang, tahimik lang, tapos yung simpleng gala lang. Basta may common sa amin dalawa na masarap kami kasama.
Tahimik, seryoso, suplado.
Suplada. Tsaka mataray. Kasi nasa itsura naman na kasi. Umabot kami sa gantong point na pakakasalan ko siya kasi ready ako sa lahat ng commitment saka sa lahat ng kumbaga she completes me. Yun siya lang yung kulang sa buhay.
Knew there was somebody somewhere. Like me love in the dark. Now I know my dream will live on. I've been waiting so long. Nothing's gonna tear us apart. I wanna keep going. Life is a road. Now and forever, wonderful journey.
So magsa-start tayo ng bagong family na buo. Pagtutulungan nating dalawa. Through thick or thin, we'll be together for better or for worse. I'll not be a burden. I will help you out throughout your success and failures. Sana kung paano tayo nagkakilala, ganun ka pa rin until the end of time. And I wish that our marriage will last forever, till death do us part. And sana hindi magbago kung ano yung meron tayo ngayon. At sana it would grow more beautiful and more success for our marriage. Thank you for everything and I love you.
Hi baby. Sobrang happy ko ngayon kasi pupunta na tayo dun sa point na parang ng second stage ng buhay natin. We will have a family. Tapos matutupad na rin natin lahat ng pangarap natin together. Tapos thank you sa lahat and I love you.